In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design socks on Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Printify website. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's a very straightforward process. Just follow the prompts, and before you know it, you'll be ready to start designing. Once you're logged in, take a moment to explore the dashboard. It's designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for you to navigate through its various features. Now, to begin your sock design journey, find the option labeled Catalog on the left side of your screen. Click on that, and you'll see a wide variety of products to choose from. Look for the section labeled Socks. There are different styles available, such as ankle socks and crew socks, so pick the one that suits your vision best. Just click on the product you prefer, and it will bring up the design window. In this design window, you'll see a mock-up of the socks, as well as the dimensions for your design. This is where the fun really starts. You can upload your own images, or create your design from scratch. If you already have a design prepared, simply click the Upload button and select your image file. It's really important to make sure your image is high quality, so it looks great when printed. If you want to create something entirely new, Printify offers a built-in tool with various customization options. You can select different backgrounds, add text, and use shapes to create your own unique sock design directly in the platform. When adding text, make sure to choose a font style and color that complements your design. Now, a quick tip. It's essential to keep in mind where the seams of the socks will be. You wouldn't want key parts of your design to end up at a seam or get lost during the production process. Always preview how your design looks from different angles by using the preview function. This will help ensure that your design looks just the way you want before moving on. Once you're satisfied with how your socks look, it's time to move on to the next step. Click the Save Product button, and you'll be prompted to enter details about your design. It's helpful to include a catchy name and a thorough description that explains what makes your socks unique. Think about who your target audience is and what they might find appealing. Next, you'll need to set your pricing. Printify makes it easy to set the base price, and you can add your profit margin on top of that. Just remember to stay competitive with other similar products in the market. Once you set your price, click on Publish to make your design live on your store. Speaking of stores, Printify seamlessly integrates with various e-commerce platforms. If you haven't set up a store yet, you can easily do so with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. All you have to do is connect your Printify account to your chosen platform. When your socks design is ready and published, it will sync over to your store automatically. This is a fantastic way to save time and streamline your workflow. You can then promote your unique sock designs through social media or your website. Depending on the audience you're targeting, showing various styles and use cases for your socks in your marketing can really make a difference. And just like that, you have completed the journey from conception to execution with Printify. Designing socks can be a fun and rewarding process, and I hope this guide helps you get started. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video,